video I just posted this morning, it's now January 5th, was really rushed. Going over the boat and picking it up and everything. I just wanted to get a video out real quick, but today we're going to try to do better. We're at Wolf Keeper now. Water is low, water is muddy. We're about to break in a boat, hopefully catch a fish or two. Have not caught a fish in 2019 yet. So we're going to make a better video now. Catch our first fish of 2019 and break this boat in. Y'all, stay tuned. You can probably still hear the motor rumbling behind me. Been out here riding for about 20-25 minutes and I can't take it no more. I got to fish for a minute. So we'll fish for a while, then ride on up some more. So hopefully we'll catch our first fish in this new boat pretty soon. Got back here off the beaten path a bit and caught me one. Camera looks like it might be a little bit too low though. Nice little fish. You know, you can get out there with everybody else on these channel swings and points and stuff and catch plenty, but I'm trying to find me something a little different, but still caught a little big one.
Gimme while I can. Gimme what I need to. I don't wanna mess up. I don't wanna get off.
Alright folks, that is one of the magic numbers. I don't know if y'all can see that. 2 hours on the engine. That means now I can go at 45. I can only go less than 4,500 RPMs for the first 2 hours. Now I can go as many RPMs as I want to go, which this motor will go 6,200. But I can't trim it up for another 8 hours. So, but now we can let Hunter drive. She's with me. She had to be the first person to ride with me in this boat. So now we can let her drive because she's just gonna floor it and get it on pad. We ain't gotta worry about nothing. You see on the map, the dark purple? That's deep water on that new map card. Scoot it up. There's a handle on bottom, under your leg right there. Yep.
This looks like a race car.
Don't hit nothing.
How much RPM?
4,500. Go! You gotta go. Camera went dead, but we got another one.
I bet y'all could guess how much this fish weighed.
How much do you think?
How much would you guess?
Me and Hunter's gonna guess the weight of this fish, see who gets closest. Hold him up.
For the camera? Okay. I think this fish weighs 3 pounds, 3 ounces.
3. 211. Pick him up. You got a fish? You do got a fish. Don't force him too much. Might be a big one. Try to go to the other side of the boat. We'll rush him and throw him in. You doing? Free him again. Free him in here. Little spotted bass.
Okay.
Tell the camera what's up. Now explain what you did there. Tell the camera, don't tell me.
I just caught this fish, that's all.
Got her another one. That's a large mouth. No, it's a spot.
He's holding in the throat. Second fish.
Sure.
Is the camera on? Come on, fish. They're clean. What kind of fish are they?
Spotted bass.
I caught him. I don't know what it's called.
DC6.
A DC6.
Good.
He's catching a fish right now. He's catching a fish right now.
You film it? Mike, you got the camera. Phone it.
Hold on, I just got a spinner.
They like that sucker. Yeah, we found them for sure today. At the end. Now that one might be 3. Alright, day's coming to a close. Hunter, first instincts on the boat.
Mini fish.
Mini fish in the new boat? How'd it ride?
Beautifully.
So, we actually caught some the last 30 minutes or so. Hunter likes playing with them in that new live well. Even got a fancy light in the live well. Old boat didn't have that. Anyways, we had a fun day. Got the main break-in time out of the way. As always, leave a like, leave a comment, hit the sub button. We're doing big things next year. You want to be subbed, you want to get these notifications, turn the alerts on. Look at her back there. Digging them out. Those were all in like the last 25-30 minutes. See y'all. Alright, Hunter, final time. How much did that fish weigh?
211.
She got the camera to work one time. It locked on 211. We can't get it to come back on again because the batteries are too dead. So, 211.